Come on in so I can share with you these 7 ways to spruce up your home for the spring. And some of these tips and ideas won't cost you a dime. Today is the 22nd, and I am getting my house together for the second quarter. Cleaners are here, they're helping me, so that is definitely a plus. And when they leave, I'm going to continue to do like some more cleaning and whatnot. But I'm going to take this opportunity to kind of go through my inventory of supplies and go through my linen closet. Let me show you my linen closet. It's off the chain. Okay, this is the linen closet. It is a mess. I pulled the black boxes out. So like all these sheets, I don't even know what's in here. And because I keep updating my sheets, I'm kind of getting further away from using the old ones. So like I said, I'm gonna go through them, donate, and sell all the sheets and pillowcases that I'm going to donate. Now that's a lot of white sheets. Some of them are a little dingy looking. Some of them have like ink stains. Yeah. All right, so let me show you how I fold my pillowcases. Okay, so I like to put both of the pillowcases together, so that way I know where they're supposed to go, and then I fold it long ways first. Smooth it out, smooth it out. Finish. Okay, and then I fold it again. Smooth it out, smooth it out. Flip it, smooth it out, and then fold one corner in, and then fold the other corner in, and boom. Looks like it came from the store. All right, so the cleaners have just left, and as you can see, while they were getting the house together, I was able to go through my stuff, organize it, figure out what I'm going to sell, what I'm going to donate, refold stuff, make it look neater, and to me, that's priceless. Okay. So now the house is clean. I can focus on spring updating and purging, because one thing about being in a small apartment, when you start accumulating too much stuff, that's when you want to move. Like right now, I'm like, oh, I want to move. This place is small, but it's really not. It's perfect for 3 people, but I have too many things. All right, so once I went through all my sheets, I'm pretty much left with these items here, which is not a lot, and this box. And then what I realized, I have 2 king size mattresses, so my sheets actually are switched up. So I have the flat sheet, but the fitted sheet is on the bed. And I'm gonna wash that sheet as well as the sheets that the cleaners just took off my bed, and then kind of reorganize and make everything match, so that I'll have my sets, and then I can like see which sets are wearing out faster. Because the problem with the sheets over there is that, yeah, I had so many white sheets, I was like mixing matching them, so I don't know like when did I buy this, how long have I had it, you know, when is it time to update it, and all that good stuff. I do like to update my sheets with the season, which is what I am doing now. So, you know, okay, so the coolest thing happened while I was in the process of decluttering and getting rid of all of these old sheets. My friends over at Brooklinen hit me up and was like, hey, are you looking to upgrade your sheets? And I was like, absolutely, yes, I am. So this video is kindly sponsored by Brooklinen. Brooklinen is a luxury linen company, and they make home goods to elevate your home. Now, let's talk about these white sheets. I'm going to be taking a break, okay? When they hit me up and gave me the option to pick a bundle, I went with the linen bundle, and I chose warm gray and cream. I know, not that far away from white, but hear me out. My room kind of has like a gray thing. My robe is gray. My headband is gray. I am going to try out the gray, but I have my eye on this terracotta color because last year I tried pink from Brooklyn. So just check them out. They have a lot of colors. If you are looking to update your bedding and you want to try some colors, they have like over 20 colors. Now, there's a few things that I like about Brooklyn and sheets. Number one, you can mix and match. So you're going to get two sheets. One is going to be a flat sheet. The other is going to be a fitted sheet. It's going to come with two pillowcases. And then you also get to choose your duvet cover and two more pillowcases. So you get to mix and match. I did a little bit of mixing and matching. I have the pillowcase and the duvet and the sheets the same color. I just wanted like a little contrast. So I got some pillows that were cream and then I have pillows that are gray. But you can switch it up however you want. And I also like that their sheets get better, like I said, over time. The more you wash them, the softer they become. And I like the fact that they do not make you hot at night. If you're a hot sleeper and you need something to keep you cool, you will like these sheets. So go ahead and head on over to brooklinen.com and check out their hardcore bundles. They have the classic and the luxe. So yeah, if you're interested in upgrading your linen this spring, then go ahead and check the description box down below because you're going to be able to get $20 off your $100 purchase. All you need to do is click on that link and use my promo code, which is going to be in the description box down below. All right, now let me finish getting this house together. Now, when it comes to managing my home, I have been bulk purchasing for the last 2 years, and I went so far to even create my own spreadsheet so that I can stay on top of pretty much every operation in my household because it is a lot when you're trying to run a business, have a successful marriage, and maintain your lifestyle. It's just too much. So, why I remember when paper can. And I like to purchase everything ahead of time. One, I'm not running out of toilet paper at 2 o'clock in the morning. And two, the prices have been going up. So I usually lock in the prices, in January or in June when I do my bulk purchasing. And it has worked out for me. And I like to store everything in the laundry room in my IKEA shelves underneath my Amazon bed. And if you're interested in a spreadsheet that I created, then check the description down below. All right, so this is probably what some of your favorite influencers are doing, like shopping, haul. I'm just playing. So this is all of the sheets and whatnot, nicely packaged. The shoes that I'm going to donate. And I think that this is a great way to say out with the old, in with the new. Use the box, use the bags and the boxes that you get when you know, go shopping to offload the stuff that you want to push out of your house. And I have another trick that I'm going to do because I don't want this to get tangled. This already got tangled, but I want to be able to give this away in good condition so that it can actually be reused by somebody. Because if it's a big ball, nobody's going to take the time out to, untangle it. And yeah. So I'm going to make it nice and neat and easy to showcase to the next person before I donate it. Okay, I went through this man's socks, right? I don't know what it is with him and socks, but he has a ton of them and they don't have mates. They have lint balls on them. They are out of shape, just old socks. I call myself doing a good deed and going through these socks. But when I tell you I have caught so much slack about throwing these socks away, yeah, everything that is on the table got donated. So I want to show you something because Bay was like, "Where's my socks at? Where's my Lacoste socks?" And the easiest way to know where your socks are and which socks are which, switch one of them inside out. So like this, don't do that. Take one sock, put it right side out or wrong side out, and then use that one to fold the socks, and then you'll see the design of the sock. This is really great with dress socks because when you flip them right side in, you can't tell what they look like. But if you do that little trick, you'll be able to see all of the socks that you have and you can grab them a lot easier. But as I was saying, he cannot wear old socks anymore. And I'm on the fence about buying low quality socks because if you work long hours and your feet are sweating in a dark, moist place, that's a breeding ground for fungus in athletes' feet. So we're not going to do that. I will just have to make sure that I do an inventory and buy new socks and put the old ones in the donation pile because if I don't, we'll have 200 socks and nowhere to store them. Now, you see all the socks I got rid of. I was running out of space. Like every time I washed, I could not put everything up. So that is a definite sign. If you are running out of space, it's time to go through your closet. If you can't store everything, you need to purge something. This was my room when I first moved in, and I just want to tell you how grateful I am for growth in my environment. Like, I love my room now. And I've been saying for a long time, you need to make wherever you live feel like home because it is where you presently live. Just by getting rid of a bunch of old sheets and socks and just all kind of things and doing a quick inventory of things in my space, I feel so in charge of my home. It is nothing like knowing that you are not hoarding a bunch of stuff. No shade to any hoarders out there, but your girl is afraid of becoming one. I love the simple things like folding my towels in a really nice uniform way and storing them in baskets. And I've also been really excited to like donate and tell other people to donate, especially if you are in Florida, because our governor just signed a bill that is going to make public sleeping illegal this fall. So, our homeless shelters are probably going to be inundated a little bit more. So if you have things in your home that you need to get rid of, definitely look up your local shelter so we can work together and help people out. And don't forget my little sock hack, okay? Because it's nothing like wearing the stuff that you already own and displaying it too. Now, if you're interested in the tracker that I have, make sure you check the description box down below, or you can visit www.waynaworld.com and click on the planners tab. And make sure that you check out Brooklyn and Sheets. Brooklyn is offering my friends a special discount, 20% off of any order over $100. So just click the link and use the code and get your $20 off. And make sure you come back and tell me what you think about the sheets, because like I said, I really like mines. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, you are a real one. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, hi, my name is Wayna and I make rental-friendly interior design videos and lifestyle videos, and we should be friends. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. All right, I will see you on my next upload. Later, boo.